Ultra Music Festival in Buenos Aires, Argentina. We're going to do a walking tour of the entire venue. This is the 6th edition of Ultra, so hopefully they keep it running. Right now we're starting at main stage. We just got in, got a few drinks, bathroom, all the things. So starting in the very most corner of Ultra, we're gonna walk through and see what else the venue has to offer. So let's go. So we'll go by the entrance in a little bit, but we came in from over there, walked straight into here. This is the Ultra main stage. And hi, hola! and then we went to the baños. And this is a theme park, but none of these things are running, so don't get excited. And then we went and did, so I mentioned this in the vlog, that Ultra is a cashless system. So they give you a little card, and that's how you're able to buy drinks and all the things. So let's start the walking tour. So we're at main stage right now. I'll show you right where we came in. And the time is 7:30-ish, I think. All right, and this is where we entered, and it says salida, so this is also where you exit. Hell yeah. All right, so this is my first time. I haven't even walked through the venue yet either, so we're discovering this together. We're burning daylight, so we gotta get this done. So we're gonna find out what Ultra Buenos Aires looks like. Los Juntos. I don't know if I said that right. Can you hold this really quick? I need to adjust my skirt. Okay. And we're drinking. Cheers.
The old ass theme park.
The venue is called Parque La Ciuidad, so City Park. I think this is main stage, actually. Just kidding. Back there was not main stage. But we got the regular baños, porta potties.
Oh, I see some sparkly jorts.
So we got main stage. So there's 4 stages total. so the merch store is over there. I'm a merch gal, so I'm gonna go get some of that. So we got main stage. Over here. it's a 2-day